As we come on the air, the LeClaire couple is huddled in the path of Hurricane Melissa.
Yeah, we've been keeping track of Christina and Tony Malshodi as they await landfall in Negril, Jamaica, right in the eye of this violent and historic storm. The couple has been documenting their experience in video updates on social media and talking with News 8 about their ordeal.
It's anxiety. You just want it to hurry up and get here and be done. The anxiety of the waiting for it, when's it going to happen, not being able to sleep and unsure if we're going to have power, if we're going to be able to reach our families, those types of things. And concern for the people that live here as well.
The couple has tried leaving the resort, which they chose for their 10th wedding anniversary, but both international airports on the island are shuttered. News 8 also spoke with their daughter by phone today.
And News 8 spoke with the couple's daughter, who has been watching the crisis unfold from the Quad City area.
It's been really stressful. I mean, we're feeling a little bit better today because it looks like it's shifted. I mean, it's still such a devastating loss for Jamaica and everybody who lives there and has to rebuild their home and their lives. And we're just hopeful that they are going to be able to make it out okay.
Yeah, the couple is supposed to fly out Thursday, depending on how much damage Melissa does. And we have a live camera looking at the changing conditions in Jamaica. You can head to our News 8 Plus app anytime to see what is happening there.